Permit me to commence, having accepted to do that on existing protocols. First and foremost, I thank the organizers, the leadership of the ADF, and I thank immensely my brother, Sam Ohuabunwa Chief. I thank the son of late Philip Effiong, General Effiong, for your patience since morning. I think patience is hereditary. Your father was patient with Biafra. Now, we're at a crossroad, but we must be tactful. We must be tactful. We must be tactful. The Igbo man believes too much in universal justice and universal equity. But unfortunately, in the world, no race in the world that believes in universal justice and universal equity had done well. What brought us to where we are today, brought us very down, was the coup of 66. And I have said time without number. In 1966, those young majors who of the Igbo extraction that participated in that coup were very stupid. They were mad. The reason is that in 1966, the Igbos had dominated the social, economic, political space of Nigeria. You had 2 premiers, 3 university vice chancellors, the IG of police, the army. You don't plan a coup against government that you are in charge. We went in and lost out everything. Sir, it's like a maniquere. Them by Shadia. Okuta na mana River State to the Ukraine na Maya Hamo Pomweha na Ocheche. O take Rendi Ukraine. 40 years after River State, River State. But today I went to Ocheche. The worst confusion won't be Ukraine now. Yendi Ukraine. I chupo wine. I be wapa. Are you getting me? What River State no? I did United as in the Ukraine. I got River State forever. Because I am on record. River State constitutes through 72% of the voting strength of River State. But even if you have number, you don't have unity, that number will be useless. The Fulani in Nigeria is a minority. In Nigeria, they're a minority. So how come that the minorities are ruling the majority? How come that they are ruling the Hausa? How come that they took over Ilorin? So anytime you complain, you go back and ask question. Why are we not? It's not number. It is not because Fulani is Uribu. All because Fulani is organization and leadership. And that is what ADF want to offer to Ndonasi Igbo. Leadership and organization. It's not number. Nowhere in the world can number nache. A man who has 5 children or 3 children can organize his family, rule an entire community forever, if they don't think. In Ilorin, in 1837, how did Alimi take over leadership of Ilorin from Afonja? Afonja invited him to drive away Alaafin of Oyo. He successfully did it, eliminated Afonja, and enthroned his dynasty. Less than 0.1% of Ilorin Fulani yet are ruling the Yorubas that constitute more than 99.9%. It is our number, our strategy, our number. You need number, but you need clear strategy, and that strategy is what ADF and Ohanese and other bodies need to work out. 2, Ana Mario, the biggest confidence ndị na-asụ Igbo nwere na Nigeria, and I ga-ejishi ha aka ike wụ ndị Ibibio, Anang na ndị Efik. It is important we go back and read what the British government said about the Efiks and the Anangs and the Ibibios in the Herwilling report. The Ibibio man and the Anang man is a hard-working man like the Igbo man. He does not envy a hard-working person because he works too. And he found out that even when we're in trouble, they never abandoned us. Therefore, I now log Kainandu Yoruba Nanaka. I'm not opposed to it. I'm not opposed to Middle Belt, but my concern nda no here. Ainaha omejele jideha well. That is our biggest challenge. The reason is that if we have them, Yadi united, Imeriai na anything that is difficult. Two, the Amainewo Kalabare, who supported Biafra as a special advisor to Ojukwu from 1967 to 1970, was sent on exile by the Spiff. He died in 1973. His remains were buried at Ikoyi Cemetery for supporting Biafra. They've not returned it today. It's important. The biggest abandoned property in River State, our property only Igbo, all property only Ijo. Nga the Port Harcourt Polytechnic now, and the chairman of the Polytechnic, wo property Franco Pigo. His private secondary school called Niger Grammar School, he built it. He was the administrator for Yenagoa province. After the war, they seized it from him as abandoned property. I have spoken a lot about Nhemere. The target was not Ndonasibu. It was to completely destroy the unity of the East. Ndonili na ano namba mmiri bunya anishi ha uhundi Igbo. Asari Dokobo is my personal friend. Man, I am on a detention. Asari Dokobo wonya abam. Aha nna ya we di abale. Aha asari wo uzodemma. Masha hari wonya ocho ogwa. Aha ya we beneme. Bricks wo kolie. Alabo Grand Douglas wo koma. And David West wo suago. They are all Igbos. It was the war and the way the war ended. They were bound to deny their Igbo-ness because it was the only thing to be alive. So, we must be careful. We must do a detailed work. We can use the tragedy of the war and how it ended and what happened after to even unite as brothers with us. Margaret Ebu, Unonyi Igbo onye Amobia. The father left Amobia in 1902 to live in Calabar. Opayamo Margaret, that later married Dr. Ebu. We must carry out a detailed research about Ebendi Igbo. As from the Ikwere, like Ndanyoma, we have come out of fear. That fear has ended. The reason is that when you deprive you political power, you pay dearly for it. That brings us to what option do we have now to engage Nigeria? We will engage Nigeria through two means. One, we can strategically engage Nigeria and negotiate for political power, which is possible to get, and restructure it the way we want, because nobody changes what is beneficial to him. I will be the last person to change a situation that is favorable to me. I will not do it. So don't blame the Fulani for not changing it to change. If you are in that position, you get mayor. So what do we do? Engage them, negotiate power. But we must be careful. Nobody gives power to the wise. Even if they want to conceal power to Ndigo, they will not conceal it to Professor Wala. You do. If you are concealing power to the Fulani, you will not give it to Professor Wala. You give it to a very unintelligent Fulani so I can collect the power from him. We must bring out our third 11 and allow them to engage the North and see whether the North by Ocheche in Ibibio, Anang, Efik, Ejo must continue and it must be earnest. We must do it soonest. I want to see when we meet, I get with Ndo traditional rulers on the Akwa Ibom, Nwete Kendo Cross River, Nwete Kendo Delta, Nwete Kendo Bayelsa, Nwete Ndo Nasu Igbo na Rivers na Delta. I nọrọ gbawa izuzu hapụgodi Ndo Middle Belt na ndị Yoruba. Thank you.
Kusiana Kike. Ọkụ ọjà nọ n'ime na-ekwu